Hello my friend, welcome to my channel. Today I'll be playing with the decals that Mary sent me. I have sped this video up 1.5 times because it would have been like a half hour long. I have got a piece of one of the decals out and I'm just going to trim this out to be about the size of my nails. So you can see I'm kind of measuring it, making sure. And I'm just going to trim some out and get them all ready. I do have on a regular base coat, and then I will be also using the Pro FX sticky base coat also. Trying to measure them out. I don't want to be wasting anything. So here we go. We got our little pieces already trimmed out. And we're going to get started. Like I said, I'll be using that Pro FX sticky base. And I am going to apply it one nail at a time because I want to, have something for this to stick to. Hi Woody, how you doing? You gonna get a workout today, I'm sure. Okay, I did my thumb, rest of my thumb off camera, and I've done the same thing with this nail. I've applied a nice layer of the sticky base coat. And I am just going to trim this down as much as I can. These decals, I guess they're more similar to like nail wraps, if you've ever used any of those. I think I've only used them once. And I'm just trying to smush it and make it just as flat as possible. And I'm going to do a little bit more trimming. There we go. Got to get that mess cleaned up. Now I'm going to try to go in with my acetone and my cleanup brush and try to trim this down, melt it down. But for these decals, that's not working so well. I'd still give it a try. I'm still, giving it a go. Because it's doing something, but it's not doing like it would with normal like water decals or things like that. And I'm just really trying to focus on making sure it's sticking down well. I don't want anything lifting or sticking up to get caught on stuff, like my hair and stuff. But as you can see, I'm being very persistent. And that's why on this one I did trim it down to really fit like around that cuticle area the best I could. Because there was going to be no melting. It's not going to melt. And I'm fiddling with it because like I said, I don't want anything sticking up. Makes me crazy. I'll be using the Fast and Hard topper from Vibrant Vinyls. But first I'm going to go in with my nail file. And I'm just going to do it like I would like those nail stickers that you get from like Dollar Tree. And just bust that up so that I can trim off that excess. I don't want anything, kind of jagged on the end, so I found this way worked out really well. It just cuts it right where you want it cut, against the edge of that nail. Excuse me. Now I'm going to top it with that Fast and Hard from Vibrant Vinyls. And after you apply the top coat, the colors of this really just jump out. I love it. I love that glossy look. Gorgeous. Hi, Woody. Back again. So there we go. Very earthy looking. I just really love this. So I'm going in with another one. And y'all see me do it. I've already explained what all I'm doing and why. So I'm just going to do some chatting. I did wear these for, I think it was 2 days. But on the second day, I took a bath, a long soak, because I was achy. And so I took me a long soak, and they started lifting. So I don't know if maybe I could use a different base coat that would help them stick. But when I went to take them off, I just peeled them up. I mean, they didn't tear up my nails. They didn't leave any like holes or any boo-boos or anything. I just peeled them. I just grabbed the edge and peeled them, and they peeled off almost in one sheet on each nail. And the funny thing about it is it pulled up the base coats that I had on, the regular base coat and then that sticky base coat that I used. Now I had a boo-boo on this one. I mushed too hard and I made a hole in it. So I'm just picking up one of those little pieces and putting it over top and mushing it down into it. Haha, like it never happened. So, I just thought that was really neat that both of the base, it was like I had a peel off base coat on, and it was just the funniest thing. So, I really did enjoy them though. I think that this was a really cool thing to do, and I want to thank Mary for sending me these because it was a lot of fun playing with them. And I've got lots more, so you may see them again in the future. So there I go. I'm trying to clean it up again. And the acetone, it, like I said, is doing something. It's not melting it away like what we're used to with the thinner, you know, like water slide decals. And I am just going right over the edge of that on the sides and the edge to break that off. And look how easy that comes up. Works perfect that way. Gonna go in and try to tidy up some more. So there we go. I'm going to top this one off with that top coat from Vibrant Vinyls and seal that in to the best of my abilities, capping that free edge. And there we go. I hope you enjoyed this one. I've really had a good time playing with these. I want to thank you for watching. Until next time, be good to yourself. Talk to you soon.